Next topic is outer join. The join which we studied, that is equijoin, theta join. Actually, equijoin is a variation of theta join, natural join. All these joins are inner joins. This inner joins combines the matching tuples in the participating relations. Outer join provides unmatched tuples from either or both of the operands. Mainly three kinds of outer joins: left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. The first table represents the faculty, second table represents the details of HOD. Suppose how this join works: faculty join HOD. Only the matching tuples from both the relations are retained. That means Anju V Satyan F234 ECE, there is no tuple corresponding in a HOD relation. So Anju V Satyan is omitted. Jayashree F1124 ECE, yes, there is one tuple, so we can include Jayashree. Then Ramya S, there is no matching tuple, so we can neglect. GB, there is no matching tuple, then we can neglect. Prida, there is one matching tuple. And Jessie also, we have one matching tuple. So for only three matching tuples are there. So in the join operation, this is the result. This is the tuple set. When we do left outer join, that is, this is the symbol used for left outer join. Faculty left outer join HOD. That means in this case, all the tuples from the faculty relations are included. That means Anju V Satyan, Ramya S, GB does not have any matching tuples in the corresponding HOD relation, but we are including these tuples with null values in the corresponding HOD table attributes. So Anju V Satyan F23 ECE null. Similarly, Ramya S F28 ECE null. For Jayashree, faculty has a responding tuple in the HOD relation, and also Preeta and Jessie has corresponding tuples, but Ramya and GB does not have. So we put null values in those cells. This is the result of left outer join. That means we retain all the faculties in the left relation, all the tuples in the left relation. Actually, this tuple is useful where suppose find the name of the faculty who are not HODs. So we can use this relation. Then this is right outer join. Faculty, right outer join, HOD. Here the right relation is HOD relation. So here we retained the entire tuples from the HOD relation. That is F23 BME, F124 ECE, F345 CSE, F101 ASE. Actually, in previous cases, this F101 ASE tuple does not have any matching tuples in the faculty table. So this is omitted in join and left outer join. So in the right outer join, this tuple is present, F101 ASC department with faculty name nil, faculty ID is nil, and department code is also null. Suppose a new faculty is joining the department, appliance ASC department, then that faculty can assign the faculty ID F101. Next, full outer join. Actually, full outer join is the combination of left outer join and right outer join. Faculty full outer join HOD. This is actually, this is the combination of left and the right outer join. Thank you.